Hey everyone, Phoenix here. I'm going to be showing you guys how to hook up a electric car to a charging station. Now the cool thing is about this is that it's actually quite easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push this little button right here, and that opens up the charge port on my car. And then you can see that it's open. I go over to this thing. It's a ChargePoint charging station. A lot of places are having these installed everywhere. And the way that you go about doing this is that you can install an app on your phone through ChargePoint, hook it up like that, and the screen will adjust. There you go. It releases your charging cable, and what you do is you come over here, hook it in like that, synchronizing, audible chirp from the car indicates that it is charging, and then that is how you do that. And then you can actually come back over here and see what kind of charge you're getting and how long it will take. And so I will report back after we get some juice into this car.